Hi students, MCQ number 9. Two rods of same length and area made of same material transfer a given amount of heat in 12 seconds when they are joined end to end, that is parallel, like this. But when they are joined lengthwise like this, they will transfer the same heat in same conditions in how many seconds we have to find out. It's a very simple numerical problem. When they are connected end to end, you can see here the total area through which the heat flows is A plus A. So that is equal to 2A. But the length is L. So the quantity of heat Q divided by time small t, that is 12 seconds. This is equal to K, the thermal conductivity of the material, into the area through which the heat flows is A plus A, that is 2A. Okay? Into delta T divided by L. The length of the rod here in the first case is L. Now here I will take, now same quantity of heat only is flowing here also, but the time taken is different. So Q by T seconds. So this is equal to, material is the same, so here also the same thermal conductivity, but now through how much area the heat is flowing is only A. So K into A into delta T divided by, now the length of the rod is L plus L, that is 2L. So we have to divide the first equation by the second equation. So I will call this as the first equation and this as the second equation. So now if you divide the first equation by second equation, left hand side will become Q by 12. I can multiply by the reciprocal of the left hand side, T by Q. So this is also equal to what? T divided by Q. And here also I will divide. So this is K into 2A into delta T divided by L multiplied by the reciprocal of the second and right hand side. Second equation right hand side, 2L divided by. So this is 2L divided by K into A into delta T. So the constants like Q get cancelled on the left hand side, then K and K, L and L, delta T and delta T, A and A get cancelled. So T divided by 12 is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Therefore T is equal to 4 into 12, that is equal to 48. Therefore T is equal to 48 seconds. That must be the correct answer. So which is the correct option? You see here option D is right. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.